Hey guys, Renny Vasquez here. I'm so excited to tell you guys about my new workshop called Beyond the Brush. So in Beyond the Brush, it's actually a makeup class that's so much more than an actual makeup class. In Beyond the Brush, we're taking you behind the scenes of a live photo shoot where I'm gonna be building a look on a model. We're gonna do 3 different looks, 3 different of my signature looks, and we're gonna be photographing each look. While we're photographing them, I'm gonna be covering with you guys how to build content like a pro, how to think of yourself as a brand, also how to market yourself to your everyday clients, and also to brands. I know so many people out there think that it's all about working with celebrities, and I have to tell you that couldn't be farther from the truth. It's all about working with brands, it's all about working with the everyday people. For me, it's all about working with whoever is going to pay the rate. So in this workshop, I'm gonna show you guys how to get your rate. I'm so excited about it. Each attendee will be doing a hands-on photo shoot where you will be working on a model, or you can work on yourself and have wonderful headshot photos. It's totally up to you. Or you work on a model and have photographs for your book. Every attendee will also leave with a USB drive with all of their images from the shoot that you do the day of the class. We're starting and kicking off this workshop in Dallas, Texas on Sunday, August the 19th. Next will be in New York City and then in Washington, D.C. I cannot wait to see you guys. We're gonna have so much fun, and see you guys at the workshop, Beyond the Brush. Make sure you visit beyondthebrush.eventbrite.com.